Hello, I am Dr. V Srinivas, Lead Senior Consultant at Aster RV Hospital from the Department of Orthopaedics. Department of Orthopedics is considered one of the center of excellence as far as the patient care is concerned for the bone and joint care. On a holistic approach, we take care of trauma surgeries or trauma care for the patients, joint replacement surgery, pediatric orthopedics, sports medicine and sports injuries, and hand surgery, and to certain extent spine care. So if you see trauma surgery, any patient coming with a road traffic accident or a fall at the home, when they come to casualty, 24/7 our casualty is manned by a senior consultant or a critical care consultant who take care of these trauma surgeries. And later our orthopedic senior consultant come take care of this, looks at the patient, diagnoses the situation. If required, emergency procedures can be done, or if required a multidisciplinary approach, we involve multiple other specialists and perform the surgery to put the patient back into pre-injury status. As far as joint replacement concerned, no stone is unturned as far as technology is concerned. We perform highest number of surgeries in this part of the city as far as primary joint replacement like total knee replacement, hip replacement surgery, shoulder replacement, elbow replacement. We also master or specialize in revision joint replacement surgery around the hip and knee joint. As far as required, the technology is concerned, as far as the implants are concerned or the bone graft is concerned, we have everything, all the equipment available. We can do any kind of limb reconstruction surgery and give the best results, and patient can be back on their feet and walking around. The sports injury, it's not that only a sports person should have a ligament injury. It can be a domestic sports injury where somebody is going on a weekend and they can have a ligament injuries. So we cater that group of patients also. We do lots of arthroscopic, knee arthroscopy procedure where ACL, PCL and multi-ligament reconstruction we can do. We also do lots of shoulder surgeries, that is arthroscopic shoulder procedure for a sports injury. And we have multiple ankle ligament injuries or hip ligaments or elbow joint and wrist joint. We do all the ligament reconstruction procedure in our department. Pediatric orthopedics is one area where we need a specialized surgeons to take care. We do have it. We do correction of deformity, congenital deformities, deformity which is grown over the years. Any pediatric problem, with the help of pediatrician, we do the correction of this deformity and make sure the child is normal in the future. The last area is the hand surgery. With the help of plastic surgeon, we do hand reconstruction surgery for an injury, industrial injury or a domestic injury if the patient has some deformity, which hand is very important. So we do, with the help of multiple specialists involved, we do reconstruction of the hand to get back the normal hand function. In a holistic approach, the orthopedic department covers most of the areas related to bone and joint. We can do multiple procedures. There's no dearth in technology, no dearth in skill or the manpower here. Round the clock, we can give service to the patients and they can utilize the services in our Aster group of hospital.